What is a phenomenal woman? A phenomenal woman is a woman that is extraordinary in everything she does. A phenomenal woman puts others' needs before her own. A phenomenal woman doesn't stop until she conquers everything that she's destined to be. The phenomenal woman I'm speaking of is none other our previous First Lady, Michelle Obama. Born Michelle Robinson on January 17, 1964, in Chicago, Illinois. Growing up at an early age, Michelle was raised with an emphasis on education. By the age of 4, her and her brother had learned to read. And by the sixth grade, Michelle was taking accelerated courses in class where she would learn speech and study biology. After high school, Michelle attended Princeton University, graduating cum laude in 1985. After Princeton, she went on to attend Harvard Law School, where she would then graduate in 1988. After graduating law school, Michelle returned home and she worked in at an associates firm in Chicago. After working at the farm, Michelle met the love of her life in 1989. The couple would then marry each other in 1992. Now they have two beautiful daughters, Sasha and Malia Obama. As a First Lady, Michelle has displayed us and shown us many different fashions. She was publicly recognized for her nonsense campaign style as well as her sense of fashion. When I saw her at the inauguration, I thought she was not our normal First Lady. She was going to display her black girl magic in every runway, every campaign, every podium that she would touch. Michelle has accomplished many projects inside and outside of the White House. To name a few, she has the Let's Move Foundation. This foundation is to help deal with solving the problem of the obesity in the kids growing up today. She also did the Let Girls Learn Foundation, which was joined with her husband Barack, and it was an initiative to help girls go to school and stay in school. Michelle has given many memorable speeches. She's spoken at many conventions. The last and the most unforgettable speech was her final speech as First Lady. Michelle is a phenomenal woman with black girl magic. My favorite quote from Michelle is, "These are the moments that define us. Not the day you get the promotion, not the day you win Teacher of the Year, but the times that forced you to claw and scratch and fight just to get through the day. The moments where you get knocked down and you're wondering whether it's even worth to get up. Those are the times when you got to ask yourself, who am I going to be? I know who I'm going to be, and I owe it all to Michelle Obama. Thank you."